Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make your character AI say your name. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, simply go ahead first, open up your browser, access Character AI's official website, and right over here you can do it with your existing characters as well. So for that, I'm going to go ahead, tap on my profile and tap on my public profile section, and now you can see my characters are right over here that I had created. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply tap on this three dot, tap on edit, and now in the greetings section I'll just write down my user ID. If I want this AI to simply say my name or use my name in the greetings. And once I have done editing the greeting, I'm simply going to tap on save changes. Once I save changes, it will simply start using my name, or when I tap on the play button, it will simply speak my name as well in the greetings. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on next video.